Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am Mats Johan Øgård. I'm from Norway, and I am a freelance illustrator and animator. And today I am drawing an illustration for the Childhood Week challenge that are currently going on over at Instagram for the next 8 days. The Childhood Challenge is pretty simple. You draw any moment that you desire from your childhood in any way you want. If you want to participate as well, all the information will be in the description. Feel free to share your entry in the comments below. So I actually for a long time now wanted to start YouTube, but I just haven't really done it. But all that's going to change now, because today we're uploading, and we're uploading for the next 8 days. And my plans for this channel will mainly be talking about my experiences dealing with learning differences, such as dyslexia and dyscalculia. And I also want to highlight and show and talk about everything art related. So if this is something that you find interesting or want to know more about, feel free to follow, because I have a long list of videos that I want to make. However, today is day 1 of the childhood challenge, and I am actually drawing myself running around in my little brother's toy car that he received when he was born, and he is 5 years younger than me, so I'm probably around 5 years old when I first started doing this, and I can tell you that I loved this car. I've never had a huge interest in cars, but I love this one, running around in the garden and bumping into stuff. And I also included some willies, rainbow willies actually, that I really loved as a child, to the point where I even took them with me to bed, because for some reason I really liked them. And both of these things are something I had, 2 moments of my life that I had great memories of, that I really wanted to recreate into a drawing. As it was the first thing I thought about when I first heard about this challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to hear what you think. And if you want to see more of my art, feel free to follow me on social media, where you also can find my portfolio. All those links will be in the description. So yeah, I see you tomorrow for day 2, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.